制英语频率最高的1200句，每天1小时，3个月听懂美国人。Take it easy.
Take it easy.
放轻松。Take it easy.
Take it easy.
These fruits are for you.
These fruits are for you.
这是给你带的水果。These fruits are for you.
These fruits are for you.
The doctor helps me a lot.
The doctor helps me a lot.
医生很关心我。The doctor helps me a lot.
The doctor helps me a lot.
Keep in touch.
Keep in touch.
保持联系。Keep in touch.
Keep in touch.
I have to say goodbye to you.
I have to say goodbye to you.
我不得不和你说再见了。I have to say goodbye to you.
I have to say goodbye to you.
Take care.
Take care.
保重。Take care.
Take care.
I will miss you so much.
I will miss you so much.
我会非常想念你的。I will miss you so much.
I will miss you so much.
I want to withdraw 10 million US dollars.
I want to withdraw 10 million US dollars.
我想取1000万美元。I want to withdraw 10 million US dollars.
I want to withdraw 10 million US dollars.
Do you want your parcel insured?
Do you want your parcel insured?
您的包裹需要保价吗？ Do you want your parcel insured?
Do you want your parcel insured?
Let me weigh it.
Let me weigh it.
我来称一下。Let me weigh it.
Let me weigh it.
Please put it on the scale.
Please put it on the scale.
请把它放在秤上。Please put it on the scale.
Please put it on the scale.
Do you have any cartons?
Do you have any cartons?
你们这有纸箱吗？ Do you have any cartons?
Do you have any cartons?
What's in your parcel?
What's in your parcel?
您的包裹里都有什么？ What's in your parcel?
What's in your parcel?
I look forward to your trip to USA.
I look forward to your trip to USA.
我期待你去美国旅行。I look forward to your trip to USA.
I look forward to your trip to USA.
I wish you a pleasant journey.
I wish you a pleasant journey.
我祝你有个愉快的旅途。I wish you a pleasant journey.
I wish you a pleasant journey.
I can't find my card.
I can't find my card.
我的银行卡找不着了。I can't find my card.
I can't find my card.
I think my bank card was stolen.
I think my bank card was stolen.
我觉得我的银行卡被偷了。I think my bank card was stolen.
I think my bank card was stolen.
I lost my passbook.
I lost my passbook.
我的存折丢了。I lost my passbook.
I lost my passbook.
When did you lose it?
When did you lose it?
您什么时候丢的？ When did you lose it?
When did you lose it?
How much is the postage?
How much is the postage?
邮费是多少钱？ How much is the postage?
How much is the postage?
Don't forget to attach the stamp.
Don't forget to attach the stamp.
别忘记贴邮票。Don't forget to attach the stamp.
Don't forget to attach the stamp.
When can I get my new card?
When can I get my new card?
我什么时候能领新卡？ When can I get my new card?
When can I get my new card?
I want to send a letter to my mom.
I want to send a letter to my mom.
我想给我妈妈寄一封信。I want to send a letter to my mom.
I want to send a letter to my mom.
May I post this letter to China here?
May I post this letter to China here?
我可以在这里往中国寄信吗？ May I post this letter to China here?
May I post this letter to China here?
When will this remittance arrive?
When will this remittance arrive?
这些钱什么时候能到？ When will this remittance arrive?
When will this remittance arrive?
I need a 100-cent stamp.
I need a 100-cent stamp.
我需要一张100美分的邮票。I need a 100-cent stamp.
I need a 100-cent stamp.
Thank you for seeing me off.
Thank you for seeing me off.
谢谢你来给我送行。Thank you for seeing me off.
Thank you for seeing me off.
You look better than before.
You look better than before.
你看起来比之前好多了。You look better than before.
You look better than before.
Are you feeling well now?
Are you feeling well now?
你现在感觉好吗？ Are you feeling well now?
Are you feeling well now?
How do you feel?
How do you feel?
你感觉怎么样？ How do you feel?
How do you feel?
Please give me a receipt.
Please give me a receipt.
请给我一张发票。Please give me a receipt.
Please give me a receipt.
May I see the details of the bill?
May I see the details of the bill?
我可以看一下账单明细吗？ May I see the details of the bill?
May I see the details of the bill?
I'd like to pay in cash.
I'd like to pay in cash.
我想现金结账。I'd like to pay in cash.
I'd like to pay in cash.
Please fill in a withdraw form.
Please fill in a withdraw form.
请填写取款凭条。Please fill in a withdraw form.
Please fill in a withdraw form.
I'd like to open an account.
I'd like to open an account.
我想要开个户。I'd like to open an account.
I'd like to open an account.
What is the rate?
What is the rate?
手续费是多少？ What is the rate?
What is the rate?
Do I have to pay a service charge?
Do I have to pay a service charge?
我需要付服务费吗？ Do I have to pay a service charge?
Do I have to pay a service charge?
How much do you want to send?
How much do you want to send?
你想要汇多少钱？ How much do you want to send?
How much do you want to send?
I brought you some flowers.
I brought you some flowers.
我给你带了一些花。I brought you some flowers.
I brought you some flowers.
How much should I pay?
How much should I pay?
我应该付多少钱？ How much should I pay?
How much should I pay?
Please give me my bill.
Please give me my bill.
请给我结一下账。Please give me my bill.
Please give me my bill.
I'd like large bills, please.
I'd like large bills, please.
请给我大面额的现金。I'd like large bills, please.
I'd like large bills, please.
I'd like to deposit some money.
I'd like to deposit some money.
我想存些钱。I'd like to deposit some money.
I'd like to deposit some money.